Hey friends, so today we are at the Sylvan Heights Bird Park and we get in free here because we have a zoo membership. It's about an hour and a half drive from our house and they have birds from all around the world that you can go see and feed some of them. So we're going to check out the birds and just see what there is to see here. So let's go see some birds. In there, eggs. Bunch of different types of eggs. Those are like examples, I think, but then these are real eggs, probably.
Or are those? Yeah, I don't think they're real eggs. I think
they're real.
I think.
Let me see the little chick, little baby chick.
This is
so cute.
He's moving. Oh, this is there. Little baby chick and 2 eggs.
You got the map, Noah?
Africa, Asia, North America.
You see the flamingos?
Can we feed them?
Uh-huh.
The pink food.
Here, it's a big map of all the different places you can go and animals you can see.
Right here.
Yeah, we started at the visitor center and we're gonna probably head around this way.
We can go
and then
Africa
go over there.
We just have
Hello, Mr. Emu.
What did it say? What did it say about the emu?
I don't know, go read it. We can go in that section in a minute.
Oh, it's a baby.
You want to go in there? This is Australia. This guy wants to go visit the emu. Is that okay, buddy?
And he's a baby. I think those two are friends.
Yeah, you think they're friends? Let's see what kind of birds we have in here. So the blue crowned pigeon that's the one that we've seen before, and they have a black swan. Cockatoo.
Cockatoo.
Yeah.
It's endangered.
Yeah.
That one.
Let's go see the black swan. Those are so cool. Oh, look at these little guys. Hey, little guys. What kind of birds are these? Yeah?
Wait, do we have food to feed those guys?
No. Oh, they're pretty. They're yellow. Aren't they so pretty?
I like them.
Yeah, and they're over there. These guys, how did these guys get from over there to over here?
They're making that sound.
Mm-hmm. Here are the birds of paradise. It's over here. Oh wow, look at these pretty ones. We have a golden pheasant and a black-throated magpie. See the pheasant's down there. It's red and yellow.
And it has a long tail.
And the magpie is up there.
Flying around, also with a long tail.
Yeah, where are they from?
And then there's some
China and Mexico.
And then, wait, I think the blue one is from Mexico and the orange one is from China. And then there's another and then there's just a random bird in there.
The society finch and the white-rumped shama. The shama is from the Hawaiian Islands.
It's right over there.
Yeah.
And the other one's back there. It's not. The what?
Don't climb on the fence, please.
Hello. There's a bird sculpture.
The map is kind of confusing because when you fold it up, you think you would fold it up like that, but you think
Ah. We can go in here. Wait for this door to close before we open the next one.
Probably because the birds are fast.
Yep, alright, now we can go in.
It says pull on that.
Push. And in here, we will see all of these birds over here.
What is that bird? Is it the one with the long legs? I think it was, yeah, this one.
Look at this one. This one's really pretty. So many colors. All the parakeets are so colorful.
More doors.
It's a kookaburra.
Wait, did they say we could feed those?
No, the parakeets.
We could feed the parrots? And the parakeets.
It's a kookaburra. This is
of tropics.
Wings of the Tropics.
Something tells me that we're gonna see some hummingbirds.
Maybe. Go on in. Just wait before you open the next one.
You know.
Push.
Yeah.
They have to keep it warm in here. Look at this guy. So cool. Look at these guys up here.
Hey fella. I like you.
The green peafowl. That's what this guy is right here. Look how pretty he is. This is an eagle owl? Is that what it's called? There's two of them in there. They're so huge. Uh-huh.
There's the phone. I have a perfect view of that one bird.
But they eagle owl, but they are capable of catching larger prey like foxes and younger deer.
Whoa, they could catch a fox or a deer? That's crazy.
And they eat the eagle owl.
Can you print? This guy's in the water. Whoa, 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 whoa. I just caught some amazing footage.
There's a crane. He's like, come see me. Come visit me.
Wait, what? Look, whenever I move this way, he's going this way. Whenever
He likes you.
Funny.
Their heads are so funny that the feathers up on the top.
Yeah, he likes me, so he wants.
All right, come on, let's go see him.
Can I take a picture?
Sure.
They have pom-poms.
Yeah, they do have like pom-poms on their head.
It's like pom pom.
Look at the swan. They're so pretty.
Ooh, sideways bird.
Yeah, but what kind of endangered species?
Whooping crane.
Whooping cranes. We've heard them whooping. He's just walking around, checking stuff out. Saddle-billed stork. Oh, that's a stork. I don't know that I've ever seen a stork before. We're gonna go over here to the play area and picnic area because everybody's getting a little hungry. So over here are some tables we should be able to eat at. And then we can play here when we're done eating. we're gonna head into the landing zone. In here to do this. We've got these things to feed them. And we're gonna go in here.
On my arm, I'm just gonna grab one and just give it to him.
Yeah. All right, open the door. So you guys can take turns. You're feeding the parakeets. Is that cool?
Yeah.
This guy, he wants them too. He's like, where's more food?
Can I pet it? I don't want to.
You don't want to do it? Did they land on you? Ow! Noah, did you like having all the birds land on you? Was that really cool?
Sorta.
The landing zone and feeding the birds. What do you think, Abel?
I liked it. We're right here at the landing zone. Then we go.
Yeah, this is called the landing zone because the birds will come and land on you.
The only part I didn't like is that they try to bite you when you run out of food. Or
Yeah, they do.
Or you shake them off.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I liked it.
You liked it? I liked it too.
Yeah.
Hornbills. Oh, is she gonna feed them?
What?
So these guys are kind of like the equivalent to a toucan, but the ones from Africa and Asia, there's no toucans on that side of the world. So they kind of fill the same role as a toucan would. And in addition to the fruit that they love, they'll hunt around in here, and especially in this pile of logs, they love that. And they'll find like big bugs to eat, or mice, or frogs and lizards. And something really cool about hornbills is that they're really great at sharing. And so when they nest, the female will kind of box herself into a tree so just her bill can poke out, and it's really safe for the babies, but she can't leave. So the male usually has to bring her food the whole time she's on the nest. So as a sign of love, sometimes they'll share food with each other. Something else really interesting about these guys is that they don't have a tongue. So they just kind of throw their food back and they scoop up water and just toss it back because they don't have a tongue to get it back there for them.
This is the treehouse where we can see animals that are native to this area. So they have some native wetland birds. And so if you look out here, you might see something. Some sort of animals out here. Yeah, this is just regular old nature. I'm gonna head back here and see if we can see the Beaver Pond. Maybe we'll get to see some real beavers. Would that be cool?
Yeah.
Like,
Yes.
not ones that are part of an exhibit, but just ones that live in the wild. Well, we didn't see any beavers at the Beaver Pond. That's okay. Still pretty cool to go look in there. Now we're gonna head back to the play area, spend a little time playing, and see if we see anything else along the way. He's a little tiny, a lizard. He's a little skink, I think. Don't scare him.
They look like snakes.
Yeah, but they have little legs.
Tiny little legs. It's a skink.
Yeah, they look like baby.
Getting back up in there, chasing each other around. What are those?
Can I take a picture?
I think it's the black eagle duck.
I'm not gonna.
Yeah, there's the ducks are here,
The black eagle duck.
and then there's a bird over here, and then there's two up there.
I'm gonna take a picture.
There's 4 animals. animals in there. Let's put it on the list.
So there's a pretty fun play area here. Fossil dig. And then a playground area that's pretty cool looking. And there's also a playground over here. So great place after the kids have looked at all the birds to go play. Which bird? Bigger than a duck, bigger than a macaw, about the size of a flamingo. You're almost the size of a flamingo. And there's a goose and then an eagle. How long is your wingspan? You're bigger than a duck, bigger than a macaw. You're bigger than a flamingo. You are almost as big as a goose, but not as big as an eagle.
I'm as big as a goose. I'm as big as a goose. I'm as big as a goose.